How old this bike?
About 30.
30 years old. Wow. 30 years old. He said he can't get no parts for it. Look at this van, look. Route 66. All the stickers on it. Look at it. Spray paint job on that. Absolute Bobby. Toyota. So it is my last day in Udon Thani, and I'm just out having a last walk really. I haven't got the motorbike anymore, guys. I gave the motorbike back yesterday, and I thought I could just give my final opinion on Udon Thani. It's a great town, it's a chilled town, but yeah, it hasn't hit me like wow, like Kanchanaburi or nothing like that, but it's a cool town, great location. As I've said in the other videos, location where I am is the best. It's probably another little place I could come to if I just want to get away from things sometimes, because it is, look, you can see how chilled it is yourself. There's some places you get that wow factor, some places you don't. I've enjoyed where I've been staying. The hotel's a little bit rough, but it's yeah, it's fine. 500 baht a night, you can't complain about that. I can walk to the central. Red roller. That Forza 350, nice, isn't it? Gold trim, matte black, lovely. See, it's no slouch of a town, is it? It's no slouch, mate. It's a big old joint. Will I come to Udon Thani again? Of course I will. Maybe I'll need to do a visa run one day and come here again, or maybe, like I said, I just want to get away. But I can't see it for a little while. I would like to try Khon Kaen, but I would say Khon Kaen's probably a bit similar, maybe a little bit more Thai again, I would have thought. Hello sir, Sabadi mate. Nice to meet you. Giving us a wave there. My final night in Udon Thani, and the walking street is on, and I can't leave any town. Whoa. I can't leave any town without going to the walking street. That is like a must with anywhere I go. So we're going to walk it, and it is a bit of a walk. 30 minutes. Let's just make sure I'm going the right way a minute. Yep, going the right way. So I traded in my bike, got a new bike. There you go. Look at that. There's no way he's repairing that. Good. For sale? For sale? No.
Only show.
Oh, only show.
Yeah. Not working.
What will you do with this bike? Restore?
No fix. No own model. No fix.
Right, cannot fix.
No spare part.
Right. So how old this bike?
About 30.
30 years old. Wow. 30 years old. He said he can't get no parts for it. Thank you. 30 years old. Look at this. Real old bikes as well, look. Dusty. So maybe I should have got one of them, shouldn't I? I should have got a bicycle maybe for the last day or two. So I've come out like a little bit earlier because the camera's a pig in the dark, and by the time we get there it should be getting dark, and there should be a lot of lights with the market. But yeah, this looks like the centerpiece where I came down and done the walk the other day with, like, got the clock there, look, 6:05 it says. You don't see anybody walking so much here. Yeah, you see, like, seen a few Farangs wheel down the market. But look, it's really nice as well. The sidewalk, sidewalks are great. What I've seen. Okay, few rough tiles, few bits and bobs. Okay, I take it back. Look at the state of the sidewalks, look. In the dark, man. Jeez, in the dark. Yeah, I take it back. I think I'll get some food down the market though. Pork leg, swaddy cap, sabadi mai. See, look, if you lived here, I would have a look at somewhere like this, look. Condo. I would like to know. Or was it a hotel? I think this is a condo place. Yeah, so I asked the lady in the one residence where I'm staying how much is it for a month, and she said 13,000. And I said, oh, what about discount, you know? Staying monthly. She said, oh no, there's only like a little bit. Be 13,000. So I thought, crikey, wouldn't be staying there. Not that I'd want to anyway. Next left, 11 minutes till night market. Hello you. Yeah, wicked. Right, let's get out of the way of these dogs a minute. I'm sure they're fine, but I make them nervous. Another food shop. Here you go, look, this would be cheaper place, right? Little bit out. I bet you could get a room in there cheap. Yeah, I bet that's because surely you can get a room here. Yeah, place, see, that's a little condo place, isn't it? Not so much a hotel. So that's what you'd have to look for here. I mean, of course I would get to know the city more. I could live here, get to know the city more. Let's go. Hey, market, I'm here. Here we go then. Udon Thani. Hello. So, let's see what Udon's got to offer. Kanchanaburi, so nice. So I bought a pork one, guys. 10 baht here, 20 baht in Kanchanaburi. I don't want the trots. One of the most unhealthy things, fried bread. Here you go, guys. This is what you want, isn't it? Never tried them before, never. kebab. Oh, don't be doing this to me. 29 baht. Do I get it? Might have to get one. Chicken. Okay. Okay, I will have one. Thank you. Get one. There you go. Look, lovely. It's only a small one, but that'll do. Got me kebab after all. 29 baht. Happy days. Everyone's a winner. Can do me extension. Hello, champ. 29 baht kebab. There you go. That's better. Look. Sabadi Mai. Hello. Right. So found the right way. That was Udon Thani Market. It was good, I had a good time, met a few people. This ain't the way that I came, but we got the old Google map, so it's all good. 21 minutes walk back. It's sad whenever you leave anywhere, man. You know, I've been prepared to leave the last 2 days. It's like no problem leaving Udon Thani, but when you actually gotta leave, the time is 12 minutes past 7. We're lit up in Udon Thani. And man, I don't want to leave now. I don't want to leave. Whenever it's time to go, I don't want to leave. It's like Udon's not won me over or nothing. I've loved it, it's great, but I don't want to leave. It's like this guy's doing, look, that's like me at the minute, thinking what next, you know, what next. Here we are, back to 7-Eleven, back to the hotel. Probably took about an hour all in all, walking there and back. I'm gonna get a drink, and do you know what, this 7-Eleven don't sell beer. They don't sell beer in some 7-Elevens, especially next to the gas station. They don't. Beer, driving, gas station, yeah, don't mix, does it? So I'm going in to get a Sprite. So I love me a bit of Sprite. My last time out sitting outside of 7 in the mornings. There won't be no more coffee in the mornings sitting out here. I've loved sitting here in the morning, 6 AM with a coffee, So guys, that is it from Udon Thani. Do I want to go to another country? Do I want to stay in Chiang Mai and just carry on building my life there? Do I want to move around Thailand more? Probably not all the time, but in stints with my base somewhere. Yeah, I even thought about maybe living here. Udon Thani wouldn't be the worst thing, but yeah, whatever happens in the coming months, you guys will be with me, and we will be. I've been thinking a lot about what my next move is. I don't know whether I just want to stay in Chiang Mai all the time, you know. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to go and get a Sprite and chill out. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, guys. Take it easy, man. Take it easy.